Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Samsung Galaxy A23 does have the stereo speakers. And to do this, first let's find all of the speakers on this device, and on top there's nothing. There's one speaker right here, that's a phone call speaker. Then there's one speaker on the bottom, and that's basically all of the speakers on this specific device. Now we just need to play some music, cover each of these two speakers with our fingers, this one and this one. And if the sound is coming from both of them, that's a stereo speakers. If the sound is coming from only one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try that. So clearly the sound was coming from a bottom speaker only, and that would confirm that this device doesn't have the stereo speakers and has the mono speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.